Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Match Betting Rookies Before. If you haven't seen one of our videos, it's great for you that you've stopped by and do take a look at our website to get yourself started with match betting. There's plenty of money to be made and we can get your going off the ground for free. In this video, we're going to check out our Match Betting Rookie toolbox, and in particular, we're going to have a look at the calculator. So this is where you're going to be working out how much you're going to place for your qualifying bets, and then when you've got your free bets come through, you're going to back and lay those also, and this is going to help you calculate those stakes. So down here on the left, we've got the qualifying bet box. When you get presented with an offer, it's going to be something like bet £10, get £20 for free. So it's this qualifying bet of £10, which is going to go in this box. So fictitiously, let's just enter £10 in there and assume our back odds are going to be at 2. Don't forget to check out the terms of each offer because the back odds may need to be a certain decimal. Once you've done that, you're going to go over to Betfair and have a look at the corresponding match to check out the lay odds. And let's say that we found some qualifying matches and the lay odds are at 2.1. We'll enter that into the box just below the pink box on the left, and that is going to calculate our lay stake. So for this bet that we're talking about, we've placed a £10 back bet, and this is telling us our lay stake is going to be £9.76 if our lay odds are 2.1. This means that at risk on the exchange would have been £10.73. So we need to make sure that we've got enough money in the exchange to cover that bet. Obviously, the funds aren't at risk over the whole bet because if we do lose on the exchange, we're going to be making money back in our bookie account that we're running the offer through. The Betfair commission, or it should probably say exchange commission because you don't have to use Betfair, which you will find out later on in other videos if you've been following our tutorials. But the Betfair commission, as standard, is set to 5%. So the calculator here says 5, and with that in mind, it's calculated our lay stake. Overall on this qualifying bet, we look like we're going to be making a 73p loss. So what we've done is place a qualifying bet using a calculator to help us work out our stakes, knowing that we're going to result in a 73p loss. Now we've got a free bet to come. A free bet, let's just say it was a £20 free bet. We're going to drop that into this center column here. The free bet calculator in the center column is also known as a stake not returned bet, because 9 times out of 10 the bookie is going to give you a free bet, but they're not going to return the stake. Whilst if you were to place that bet with your own money, the stake always gets returned. So the calculator knows that, and we're just going to move forward and place the bet like we did with the qualifying bet, and it's going to work it out for us. So let's assume the back odds are 4, the lay odds are 4.1. Don't forget to pop your commission rate in there if you're using Betfair, if it's not in there already. And you can see here for a £20 bet, the lay stake is going to be £14.81. The lay risk on this bet, so we will need £45.93 available in exchange, otherwise Betfair will not allow us to place that bet. And then the bet profit is going to be £14.07 no matter what the outcome. So whether the bookie wins or Betfair wins, the bet profit is going to be £14.07. And then on the same spreadsheet page, we've got the overall profit in front of us. So it very simply just takes away the qualifying loss that was generated on the first bet against the free bet profit that we've generated on the second bet. In this case, we've walked away with a £13.34 profit on a £20 free bet. So that is a quick example of how you will use this calculator for both welcome offers and reload offers. If you've got any questions, don't forget to drop us a comment below. If you're on YouTube, if you're on the website, drop it in the bottom of the page in the comments box, or drop us an email. Finally, if you need to view this tutorial and you're on the spreadsheet, you can do so by clicking this grey button at the top, and that's just going to give you a hot link straight over to the website, and you can view this video again there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.